Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing all gear and draining the waders completely. This prevents trapped water from hiding the hole. Next, dry the surface quickly with a towel, then use a flashlight or submerge seams briefly while applying soapy water to spot bubbles. Once you see air or water leaking, mark each puncture clearly with tape or a waterproof marker so you can work one repair at a time. This saves repeats and ensures you address every failure point. You must prep the surface thoroughly. Wipe the marked area with isopropyl alcohol and let it flash off so adhesives bond. While that dries, cut a patch that overlaps by 1/2 to 1 inch and round the corners to reduce stress lift. Once the adhesive is applied to both the wader and patch, position it, then press firmly from the center outward to expel air. Wait it for the cure time the glue instructions specify, because proper contact equals long-term sealing. Now you seal and let the repair fully cure. Follow the adhesive's specified cure window, typically 12 to 24 hours at room temperature, and keep the wader flat and weighted to maintain pressure. After curing, perform a careful test by adding a little water or using soapy water on seams to reveal bubbles. If you still find leaks, make sure you roughen the surface adequately. If problems continue, repeat using a larger patch or seek a professional repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.